Hi, this is Jeff Meyer with Landmark Properties. We're going to head over to the C section today, across the bridge, getting off the island here in the hammock, and going to show you a little bit about the C section, how it started, what it's about, everything in the C section. In Palm Coast, if you weren't aware, there are different sections. They're by letters. So the C section, every street begins with the letter C. So today, we're going to head over the Intercoastal now, and 95% of the lots in the C section are on the water. So a lot of people are very interested in building new homes, buying existing homes. A pretty cool area. There's marinas, there's the European Village, there's golf course. So yeah, we'll give you a little shot of it today, and you can take a look at it and see what Palm Coast C section is all about. Over here to our left is the European Village. Big courtyard, they have bands playing, a lot of restaurants, a great spot for nightlife. It's the entrance to the C section. Over here to the right is the golf course. You can't see it from here, but we'll take a ride through there. It's also known as Palm Harbor. One of our favorite places to go. We got a lot of clients that live over here, bought houses, so I think you guys will enjoy this. Currently, there's approximately, I think there's about 48 lots available. And the lots on the water, they range usually from $80,000 to $250,000, just depending on where you're at. A couple gated communities. Most of it is not in a gated community, but has lots to offer. Can't see it, but over here to our right there's probably about 5-mile long path along the Intracoastal. People are biking, rollerblading, jogging, walking their dogs. Just a cool little neighborhood to live in. All right, yeah, this is the bridge we just came over in European Village. Again, off to our left here. Now we will be coming up to the marina here. It's a public marina, owned by the city, or leased by the city, I should say. Got gas pumps for your boats. If you want to store your boat, I believe a little less than $200 a month, depending on the size, of course. But nice little facility. Now we're going to take you down one of the streets here in the C section, Clubfield Drive, which is populated with waterways on the left and the right, and just a short 5-minute jaunt to the Intracoastal. Great lifestyle, great place to live. Condos over here on our left, townhouse. Actually more of a townhouse than a condo. Okay, we're on Clubfield Drive. As you'll notice, all these houses on both sides are on canals that lead to the Intracoastal. I think there's about 23 miles of canals here that ITT developed and dug out years and years ago. Palm Coast, you would think it's been around for years, but it's a planned community. They came in, put the roads in, put the canals in before they put any houses in. And I believe back in the 80s they began all this. You notice most of the homes around here, nothing in this area especially is built before, I believe, right around the late 80s, early 2000s. Again, just a cool place. Actually coming up on some good friends of ours and clients that bought a house here last year. So this is the C section. This is what the C section is all about. Again, everything here is on the water, and just a neat lifestyle. A lot of you people up north that live on lakes and stuff, this is comparable, but on steroids. You can go out to dinner in the evening, get on your boat, go out to dinner, go out and have a cocktail, go fishing. Great fishing around here. Sun was out not too long ago. They picked up some tarpon, some redfish, gigging for flounder. A lot of wildlife, a lot of great fishing. Another thing about this area, very close to 95. You're less than 5 minutes to 95. No traffic like there was down in South Florida or in some of the bigger cities. Publix right around the corner. A lot to offer. Okay, now we're going to head over to the golf course. It's the Jack Nicklaus Golf Course, originally owned by the resorts over here, Bobby Ginn and that group, and they turned it over to the city. And great track. Play it frequently. And also, as we've stated before, there's 128 miles of biking trails throughout Palm Coast, and a large number of them right here locally along the Intracoastal and some of the canals. So it's a lot to do in this area. A lot of fun. Then one thing in Flagler County, you're going to realize, anywhere you go, people, down south we talk about, oh, we've got to, we're heading, 15 miles, that could be 45 minutes. But everything from east to west in this county, everything's accessible within 10, 15 minutes at the very most. And, gated communities over to our left. There's 3 or 4 of them here in a row on the Intracoastal. If anybody's interested, we can, just give us a call. We'll do a private tour of those for you via the drone or Facebook Live. Just let us know. Now we're heading down Clubhouse Drive. This will take us to the golf course. There'll be water on both right and left. A brand new development on our left. Country Club Harbor, I believe it's called. There's about 45 homes in there. Got some friends in there, live on the water, keep their boat in the backyard. Golf in the morning, boat in the afternoon. You never have to get in the car. Palm Coast condos here on the right, and the golf course on the left. You can pick up a condo here for, in the mid 100s. Really nice. Some of them are looking at the Intracoastal or the canals. Some of them are looking at the golf course. Again, this is one of my favorite areas. Okay, we're leaving the C section here. We're getting a lot of inquiries. 48 lots available, like I said earlier. Home lot packages. You can start lots. I'd budget around $100,000 for the lot on the water. The build's going to run you probably $220,000 to $250,000. So all in for $300,000 to $350,000. It's a lifestyle that you can't get like anywhere else at this price. So this is a little brief description, a little brief tour of the C section. There's a lot more to it. If you have any questions, give us a call. We can send you information. Come on down, we'll show you around. And hope you guys have a great day. Cheers.